Hello friends, and welcome back to another Simpsons Playmates 20-year-old figure unboxing with 20-year-old tape. This is Helen Lovejoy. In this series was also Fred Quimby,
Mr. Plow!
Mr. Plow Homer,
Don Victor
Don Vittorio, Database, Mr. Largo, Luann Van Houten, Number One from the Stonecutters, Tuxedo Krusty, Legs, Mr. Burns, Moe, Princess Cashmere, and Dr. Stephen Hawking.
And in the big sets, there was Dr. Nick Riviera. And I still need Dr. Nick. Because he's not a competent doctor.
El Bombastico.
Yeah. At 9 p.m.
Holy Rollers ball bag.
I was just going to open and reveal a bowling ball.
Springfield Mall shopping bag.
There's nothing in it.
It's just a bag. And eventually a golden trophy that says nothing.
A golden trophy for what? That golden trophy now belongs to Homer! This is Homer's trophy now. I don't even know where Homer is. And Helen Lovejoy! Wow.
She still has freaking, I hate these wires.
That's funny. That might not work since it has metals.
You can still cut through the thin metal.
Where'd that go?
And Helen Lovejoy.
I don't like her face.
Jack Specific still hasn't made a Helen Lovejoy figure. She's an alien! She literally has alien eyes.
What? That's what she looks like in the show.
I don't know. Her eyes aren't this sticking this far out of her skull in the show.
Flat pictures.
Oh, I don't know about this.
Flat pictures.
Playmates made an alien version of Helen Lovejoy.
She's flat pictures.
I rated an 8 out of 10 because it's the alien variant.
It's a 10. It's a 9 out of 10, 0 thumbs up because I don't like how her face looks, but it's not an alien. That's just how she looks in the show. Just instead of being bulging, she's a flat picture. When you see her outside, that's what she looks like.
So, friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media, funkyplaybrothers and funkyplaybrothers. Please, help us by subscribing to our YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.